Hi there, my name is Marcel First and I welcome you all to my 6th episode of Overland Vagabond. In the last episode, I've tried to document the most salient phases for building a cell, the Condor Plus in our specific case. I hope this awakened your interest in the Overland Vagabond project, as I've shared many pictures and a few a bit shaky videos. I'm still learning a lot, and I've in the meantime acquired additional cinematic gear so as to increase the quality of the videos I capture. This new episode will have a similar format. That means a short introduction and a brief conclusion, while the content will consist of many pictures and even more video clips. I will try to comment this time the material I herewith share so as to better explain some important details. Due to the massive amount of material and information inherent to the interior build, I had to split the episode in two, else it would have been way too long and potentially boring for you. In this episode we will start from the cell cleanup, then see the hydraulics and heating appliances, and eventually the various electrical circuitries. Enjoy! In this first sequence of pictures, I wanted to show you the pretty raw state of the cell before the interior transformation has taken place. All quite messy. See the patchy foam layers, the bare resin surfaces, the inexistent electrical installation, and so on. The first step was to give it a good cleanup, paint the bare surfaces, complete the foaming, reinstall the water pipes, redo some of the carpentry, and reinforce the structure where needed. The hydraulic and heating pipes are the first to be laid down in their final configuration. One of the easiest tasks in the entire build, I reckon. The filtering system is quite ingenious, as it allows to fill water in the tanks either through city line or by suction from the pump. The water is filtered twice, during filling and when used by the appliances. The system can also be used, for instance, to wash the vehicle, pumping water from a river and dispensing it straight to the hose. The 220-volt electrical circuitry is quite simple once you have taken care of the proper installation and wiring, which needs to be completely apart from the 12-volt installation. The control panel with the instruments is located right above the entrance and includes displays for the power circuitry, the heating, the two solar panel controllers, and the water level in the tanks. Most of the 12 volts cabling is wired and elegantly hidden in the foam layers. You can't see them anymore. The 12 volts distribution circuitry consists mainly of a control panel where all devices and utilities are properly connected together and fused. You can spot here the internal LED and the solar panel controllers. The most innovative of all electrical installations is definitely the 12-volt power gear. This set of systems from Mastervolt comprises a 180 ampere-hour lithium-ion battery and a powerful inverter with the possibility to charge the battery from the car alternator, the solar cells, or the power grid when stationary, all in combination. There is an enormous amount of work that goes into building the interior of this cell, and people tend to underestimate its complexity. In my case, I've implemented most of the features and devices you would usually find in a purpose-built 7.5-ton expedition vehicle, but with the intricacy that everything needed to fit into the much reduced space available and be super light. That was a real challenge. In the next episode, I will discuss the carpentry and upholstery works that went into the cell and complete henceforth the interior build. I'm still expecting more comments from yourselves. Please don't hesitate to ask your questions regarding the interior build or the overall project. And I will try to do my best to give you my personal opinion and unbiased answer. Thank you so much for watching. If you like what we do, please subscribe and/or leave a comment down below. If you instead prefer to actively contribute to our venture, visit our Patreon site, the link is at the end of this video, and support us there. See you next time.